start investing on the app, let's go over how you can transfer funds in and out of your InvesTiger account. The funds screen can be accessed in two ways. 1. By clicking on Funds in the bottom menu. 2. Through the hamburger menu on the dashboard. On the screen, you'll see three options: Add funds, Withdraw funds, and Allocate funds. Add funds. You can directly transfer money from your Mirae Asset Sharekhan-mapped bank account to your InvesTiger account. Withdraw funds. Similarly, you can withdraw money from your InvesTiger account back to your Mirae Asset Sharekhan-mapped bank account. Allocating funds. You can move funds between your InvesTiger account and your equity balance and vice versa.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.